Listen here, you impatient Gen Z geezer. You want to get a wholesaling deal, you want it now, and you don't want to wait. You want to get a bunch of money in a very small period of time. Fine. I'm going to show you today how you get your first deal in under 2 weeks wholesaling real estate. So if I had to get started wholesaling real estate with no money at all, this is exactly what I'd be focusing on in 2026. No, I have no wholesaling course to sell you. No, I have no crazy program here. I'm just going to tell you exactly how to start getting wholesaling deals and so you can start getting success. See, I'm trying to connect with a younger audience in wholesaling real estate. And I know all you guys do is doom scroll all day and try to get your quick dopamine hits. So what I'm going to do is give you your quick dopamine hit, your visuals, might pull different dance moves in here to get you going. So you can stop doom scrolling and start making a bunch of money wholesaling real estate. So before I break it down, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and let's break this all down. So one of the most classic entrepreneur things everyone knows is what we call a cash flow quadrant. It's from Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. And obviously I love that book. It's a great book. That's all I want to talk about today, right? The cash flow quadrant's pretty cool, learning about how money works. But what I want to do is do what I call my patented deal flow quadrant. So this is my quadrant for deal flow to actually how to go out here and get wholesaling real estate deals. So let me throw it over here, my little deal flow quadrant. And I kind of want to show exactly how you can break up an entire wholesaling real estate business in really 4 simple quadrants. Now, let me actually make this a little bigger. Obviously, I've been known to have the greatest handwriting in the entire world. And the way I like to break my deal flow quadrant up is to divide everything up by lists, marketing channels, your attack quadrant, and your KPIs. Everything you need to know to get your first wholesaling real estate deal can be put into this simple 4-step quadrant. Because if you just know exactly how to fill this out, you're gonna get wholesaling real estate deals. So let's go out here and start with the lists. So if you first got to figure out when you're starting wholesaling real estate, what lists are you going to be pulling? Where are you going to be pulling these lists? Obviously, you want to be in markets that are actually good for wholesaling. So you want to keep a median home price. You want to be in a market that has under 400K median home price, and you want a nice population over 100K for the county, right? That is the first step of pulling a list. You need to know where to pull the right list. And then number 2, which is where everyone's gonna be pulling, is like, well, what type of lists should you be pulling? I recommend for most people, and kind of like how the whole world works, the best things in life come in 3s. I tell everyone starting out, just focus on 3 main lists. 3 lists is really all you need to get your start in wholesaling real estate. I'd probably tell you the first type of list you should be doing is going to be a simple government list. I'd probably recommend a code violation list for most people. Code violations are awesome. Then I'd probably push towards probates, maybe a pre-foreclosure list if you can pull both of them. And then the third type of list that anyone just getting started in wholesaling real estate is probably going to be what I call an AI list. So this is going to be either AI driving for dollars for you. So there is AI driving for dollars now, or there's also AI like predictability lists. Now, I know these are kind of hot topics, but basically AI can now predict based off of a bunch of data points, and pretty much every wholesaling real estate software has this, not just X Leads, where AI can predict how likely somebody is to sell. It's not like a crazy massive list. If you have like a whole county, it might find 300 or 400 of these type of properties, but usually they go from most likely to sell to kind of likely to sell for cash. And these are really cool. And then on top of that too, then you can go out here and have AI try to find motivated seller data. Now, this doesn't mean, oh my gosh, this person has to sell. It's an automatic lead, but they're just more likely to sell. That basically means if you called 1,000 of these lists, you're more likely to get a deal. And you probably get just as many leads calling that 1,000 than if you called 10,000 of like a standard high equity list. Now, what you should be noticing here is in this little quadrant, I'm not going out here and pushing you to go out here and pull 30,000 lists. That's just not how wholesaling real estate is set up in 2026, and this data dumping thing is not going to work well. Now, if you're somebody who is watching this and you want to go out here and do 10 deals a month, this is not the video for you, okay? Like if you're looking to do 10 deals a month, sure, pull the high equities, go to X Leads, blast out 50, 60, even 100,000 texts for the month. And sure, you're going to get massive volume, do a bunch of direct mail. But if you're just looking to get 1 deal a month, right? You're just looking to get your first wholesaling deal. Focus on these 3 lists. And the third part is how you're going to get the skip tracing. You just need to go to xleads.com. Honestly, at this point, X Leads has won the entire wholesaling real estate software game. You literally get it for 14 days for free, get a 14-day free trial. You get 1,000 free skips, and you get 25,000 skip trace records. And everybody asks, Zach, what is the best skip tracing software? I mean, they're all really amazing. And at this point, I believe everyone should go out here and test all of them out. But by far, I believe X Leads has the best skip tracing ever. Xleads has done independent testing all these other providers, and they actually have on their website showing proof that Xleads is neck and neck with the top wholesaling real estate softwares in the game. I'm not saying one's better than the other, but all I could say is Xleads is $97 a month when everybody else is just way more expensive for pretty much the same type of skip tracing. So definitely X has the dialer texting, all that cool stuff, right? So get your skip tracing, go to xleads.com. And really, if you could pull this list, right, you might be at 800 plus, I mean, you might be at 2,000 properties. I mean, it's not a massive amount of lists you'll be pulling here, but if you could just focus on 2,000 properties, that should feed you enough leads and deals to go out here and have a ton of success. Then from there, what type of channels are you going to go out here and get a deal with? So how are you going to take that list of 2,000 skip trace properties, market it so you can go out here and get a wholesaling deal from it? Well, my friend, that's actually pretty easy. So really, you should be focusing, and again, I say the best things in life come in threes. I'm probably gonna say focus on two. I really think cold calling is goated still to this day, because you're not cold calling a lot. Like 2,000, it might take you at most 5 to 10 hours a week to go cold call this list. I mean, probably way less, but maybe 5 to 10 hours a week. And it really depends on your budget, right? If you have a higher budget, I'd probably say you should go text these people. And when I say higher budget, like I don't think I'm too nuts when I say this. If you go to xleads.com, right? So you go to xleads.com and you want to text 2,000 people, it's going to cost you a whopping $20 to go out here and text these people, because Xleads is 1 penny per text. So it's 1 penny per text. You're probably going to be about $20 all in all. Let's add $5 because you probably have to pay for some phone numbers. You're about $25. Your dialer is going to go out here for cold calling that much, is probably going to run about $30 for the week, probably depending on how many calls you have. And then you're at $97 with Xleads. So you're probably at $155 in total. Like that's your entire budget, $155 from this method. I don't think it's bad at all. And if you're feeling a little feisty, you're feeling like I'm going to go out here and get as many deals as possible, I'd probably tell you the code violations, the probates and pre-foreclosures, I would get these addresses. There's probably 500 between these both. And what I want you to do is, if you can do this, if there's only one list, I'd probably only do the pre-foreclosures. If you're out here and like, oh my gosh, I'm going to go crazy, I'd probably tell you should put a sticky note and do what I call reverse drawing for dollars on every single property. So pre-foreclosures at a minimum, that might be 100 you do for the month. If you want to go all the way to 500, you can do that. But again, what reverse drawing for dollars basically is you go to the dollar store, you get like 300 or 400 sticky notes, you grab a pen, you write on the sticky note, hey, this is Zach, I had a quick question about your property, please give me a call back. Then you put your Google Voice number or a number you buy on Xleads, and then you get inbound leads from that source. So maybe you have an ugly house, right? It's a pre-foreclosure, you slap it on the door. Again, the sticky note reads, hey, this is Zach, I had a quick question about your property, please give me a call back. Somebody calls you, you're like, oh my gosh, what do I say? Hey, this is Zach, me and my partner are looking to buy properties in the area. Why do you put a sticky note on my door? Hey, probably my partner did it, or maybe me. I don't know exactly which address this was, but we're just looking to buy properties in the area. Are you interested in selling your house? Simple. Probably 1 out of 50 are going to say yes. Boom, you get a bunch of deals doing that. I can tell you the best things in life come in threes. And if you're somebody who's willing to say, Zach, I'm going to do whatever it takes to become successful and amazing in wholesaling real estate, literally just do this, bro. Like this is literally all you got to do. But still, people to this day want to tell me how difficult wholesaling real estate is and how hard it is and how they wish they could become more successful. Bro, this is how you become successful. Like this is what you got to do. If you could stick to this, you're going to make a ton of money in wholesaling. So if you stick to these lists and these channels, you're going to have a ton of success. Now, what's the attack? What's the attack quadrant? The attack quadrant is going to be pretty simple. You're going to go over your schedule, and then you're going to go over your volume. Pretty simple. Now, volume actually is pretty much going to be the same as list, to be fair. But your schedule is how many hours per week are you going to dedicate, and you have to log these hours. You actually have to log it, that you're going to do what I call income producing activities. IPA, it's like a beer, okay? I don't drink, but I bet IPA is a sick acronym. And all you gotta do, remember, IPA stands for income producing activities. How many hours per week are you doing what I call income producing activities? Now, I would tell you 20 to 40 hours per week is all you need to go out here and make 10K a month. I mean, probably you could be pushing 30K. If you know how to lowball, maybe even 40 grand, you get 1 to 2 deals per month. But literally with such a low marketing spend, you can go out here and get insane results. So again, income producing activities. This is your North Star. This is what you do. This is where you attack. This is what you're looking to do all the time. Income producing activities. 20 to 40 hours, not doom scrolling, not making a logo, not making a letterhead for your emails, your company, not making a Facebook group, actually going out here and doing the real work. Calling, texting, reverse routing for dollars. So if you're asking me, Zach, what's an income producing activity? Whatever time you do spending pulling the lists and doing the channels right here, that's income producing activities. If it's not in these two quadrants, it is not an income producing activity. Capiche? Gabagool? Okay? Yes, okay? So income producing activities is going to be in these two quadrants. If you cannot do these quadrants, if you're not in these quadrants, don't talk to me. Don't speak to me. Don't even be in my presence. Don't even breathe in my general direction. If you do not pull these lists and do these marketing channels, and you still have the balls to go out here and tell me, Zach, I tried everything to become successful. No, you haven't. You haven't done this. So log those hours and do income producing activities. Now, when you do 20 to 40 hours of income producing activities, I can promise you this one thing. You're going to do serious big boy volume, some big man volume going on. Okay. If you're a woman, big gal volume, whatever you want to call it, but you're going to be doing actual real volume here. And you should probably be roughly 2,000 calls, 2,000 texts. And if you really want to get feisty, maybe 200 reverse trying for dollar sticky notes. I mean, it's not simple. It's not like, oh, this is a little bit of work. It's a lot of work. It ain't easy, but it's not going to make you broke. It's going to make you rich. It's going to make you successful. To see here, I'm not pushing some $14,000, $15,000 wholesaling real estate program down your stinking throat. I'm just showing you exactly what I do to become successful. Now, oh, Zach, he just tells over to use X leads. Bro, if you have a software that has better skip tracing than X leads, you ain't going to find that. That's cheaper than X leads with better skip tracing. You're not going to find it. Maybe if I might find a software for like $200 a month that has a little worse skip tracing than X leads, maybe, but it won't have texting for once. Like that's the thing. So again, you could say, oh yeah, Zach just taking X. You don't have to use X leads, bro. Use whatever dang subpar wholesaling software. That's your thing. I'm just trying to give you the information. That's what I use. That's what I'm telling you to do. Because if you don't use X leads, your budget's going to be blown out of proportion. You're going to be at like $3,000 for this. And you just simply attack. Then from there, you're going to get your KPIs. This is going to be very important. You're going to figure out for the month, how many leads did you produce? How many contracts did you get? How many calls did you make? How many texts did you send out? How many appointments did you get? How many deals did you do? And then from there, you can make your own calculations. How many leads per deal? Then you can kind of figure out your offers too. How many offers you made? How many offers for your contracts? How many offers you made on your appointments, how many offers for a deal. Then you can get your simple KPIs. Honestly, the only other one I'd be doing is your contact rate for calling and texting. Let you know your skip tracing accuracy, or maybe your phones are all messed up. If you use X leads, you're gonna be fine on that. Then from there, you're gonna collect all this information and you're gonna be able to get a wholesaling deal. Now, here's the problem. Here's the issue. I'm talking to Gen Z, Gen Alpha, whatever you guys do, okay? You might be like, well, Zach, what generation am I? Well, if I say the word 6, 7, and you start oogling and juggling like a brain dead buffoon, then you're probably in this category. But straight up, I have so many people, okay, they're like, how do I get a wholesale? Like, how long until I get money? How long until I'm successful? How long until I get my Lamborghini and my supermodel girlfriend next to me, driving around Brickell in downtown Miami when everyone's taking pictures of me thinking I'm the bee's knees? How long until that happens? Well, to be fair, not too long. But you're still stupidly impatient and you want to get a deal now. That's fine. I have my perfect Gen Z, Gen Alpha, what I call my impatience calculator. So what my Gen Z, Gen Alpha impatience calculator is Zach, how quick until I can get a deal, right? Basically, here it is. Your time for your deal. How much time until I can get a wholesaling real estate deal? Well, that's equal to two things you just got to focus on. If you follow my KPIs, you're actually going to get somewhere. You got to figure out how much time it takes for you to go out here to produce a lead. That is the first part of the equation, multiplied, parentheses, oh wow, math actually matters now, by your LPD, your leads per deal. That is it. That's pretty much it. I'm the Albert Einstein of wholesaling at this point, making equations for everybody. I'm Isaac Newton in this house. But that's it. So if you're watching this, you're like, Zach, how long do I get a wholesaling deal? Okay, well, to be fair, how much time does it take you to produce a lead? Calling, texting in general. Most likely, you're probably gonna be around like an actual good lead, right? You're probably gonna be about 5 hours of actual like income producing activities to go out here and get a lead. And if you know what your conversion is, so how many leads until you get a contract? So again, the calculation is how many leads does it take for me to get a contract? And then how many contracts equal a deal? So you might find, okay, out of every 5 leads I get a deal. Okay, cool. So that means it's 5 leads per deal. That means if you multiply 5 hours times 5, that means it's gonna be 25 hours for you of income producing activities to go out here and get a deal. Cha-ching, equation created. Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton, Galileo of wholesaling over here with my equations. Pythagoras in the flesh. That's all it takes to go out here and get a wholesaling deal. So for most people watching this, it might be 40 hours, it might be 80 hours. For most people, it's like a month of work. But to be honestly fair, if you just stick to income producing activities, look at your screen time, you don't doom scroll, you actually focus on the tasks, you're gonna start getting a ton of success in wholesaling. So this is what I highly recommend for everybody they be doing. Focus on your quadrant, pull the right lists, put the right channels, start making a schedule, and start taking action. Guys, if you want to learn how to wholesale real estate for free, I have a free real estate wholesaling course and community. It's called freewholesaling.com. If you get any value from this video, do me a favor. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.